Hello everyone. I actually have some very good news that I just finished finals. So we finished all my final exams. I'm so happy. It was so tiring. It was hard. So celebrate that today. We're unboxing a car as always. This time it's something that I like. Finally completed the exotic set, which is the Aston Martin Vantage GTE. Now I'll unbox and I'll show you the exotic set. Okay. So before I open, I want you guys like and subscribe and share this channel. Share this channel with your friends. Anyways, let's open it. Yeah. So we're gonna talk about facts about the Aston Martin model here. So the Aston Martin Vantage GT, also known as the Aston Martin AMR, not ASMR, it's AMR, another name for it, is Aston Martin Racing to develop an endurance Grand Tour. So it's like a race car. It was revealed at November 2017 and has a weird engine. The Mercedes AMG M177 4, I don't know what that CC means, and 4 liters. It weighs 1,245 kilogram or 2,745 pounds. It goes 190 miles per hour, and or for anybody who uses metrics, 305 kilometers, or 306, and it has around 536 horsepower, which is pretty fast. I think this was a GTE, the GTE mark of racing, which is pretty cool. I think I can get it out, and she's out. Whoops, I forgot something. Barely made a difference. Check it out. Now we'll pray that this will go well. Okay. Okay. Get into focus. It's on focus. Awesome. First try. First up, this is detailed from the front. As you can see, it has some details on the front. You can see the lights there. That's pretty cool. But it's not detailed from the back, sadly. But it's okay. Still looks pretty cool from the back. Yeah. Okay. Just close up. See where the Aston Martin logo is meant to be. Has an interesting livery. Here you have like where the exhaust comes. Can I zoom more? I don't want to zoom. Oh, look. Here you can see where the exhaust comes from. That's awesome. Little area. You have the livery. It barely has livery, but you can tell like there's red around it. There's black. There, red. There's the lights. The logo's on there too, which is awesome. There's a black stripe right there. And check it out. I have the Lego set of it. I have a Lego set of it, so pretty cool. You can see it has the Lego one, and this is the normal one. Awesome. Put that back. Okay. I think I can have gone into focus. Cool. So you can not tell anything on the roof. Here's the spoiler. The spoiler looks a bit long. And you can tell here little sharp corners. It did take no, it's just probably a part of the design. The tail lights. It's got one of my favorite cars I've opened. I'm in love with the exotics now. Like I said, we'll get the cars, all the exotic cars, and yeah, we'll be right back. I'll get all the exotic cars from 1 to 10. We'll be right back. So I got the car. I don't remember how really series is. So we'll just try to place them in order. I don't know, but I think I'll try my best to remember. So here we have, no, this is the wrong car. First car is the Tesla Roadster. This was a new for mainline. It was an ID. Here's the Pininfarina. Yep, there's a Pininfarina. It took a bit of hits. Tesla's awesome. Both of them being detailed. The Liberty Walk. I don't know if I did open this one, which is awesome. Like it. I do have the gray one. This is the kit concept. One of my school. What was the fifth car? I forgot. I don't know if it's was that Mira? I think it's this one. This is a pretty cool car. It's a track stars. So if you don't know how you can tell tracks, it has like this little loop thing, which some cars do. It's a track stars, or it's very good for the track. It'll go quick. Pretty cool car. Fix them up a little bit. I don't know what's the sixth car. Oh yeah, here's the McLaren Elva. It's also a pretty cool car. 7th. I don't know which one is 7th. I don't know if it's this one or this one. I think this is number 7. Number 7 is this one. The Pagani's on the R. Number 8, the Lord Silvesia. I found both of these at like the Toys for You, so I do remember that. I mean, everything was pretty slow, but then found that I was just excited. Number 10 being the Mira. I don't know if this is gonna. Oh no, we have still space. Just move the cars a little bit. I don't want to go too much depth into them. Lowest Mira, which is number 10, and finally the car that waiting for the longest, the Vantage. Look at that lineup right here. That is so cool. All the exotics are at the same. All the 2022 exotics that was there, including now we have the Vantage. We kind of complete the set finally. That was the car I was missing for a very long time. That Vantage. So I saw somebody selling this, and I was super happy. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, right now, guys, it's montage time for this Vantage. Yeah, guys, there's still there. I tried to move them off camera, but hey, actually you can see the mirror. I did like the Vantage, and it gotta be one of my favorite cars. And what do you think? It's a Vantage GTE, and it's a race car. I do have the Golf. I mean, it's not with me. The box cars are somewhere else. I mean, they're in the living room, but you know, I just don't have it right now. I'll show you, but I don't have it. It's a pretty cool car. So yeah, guys, before I leave, we finished finals. So I'll be getting back on uploading as much as I can. It'll be all good. So before I leave, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share this channel. Share this channel with your friends. We'll see you in the next video, in the next bike hunting video. Bye bye.